precise microsample is injected into the gas chromatograph, ensuring zero contaminants are present in the solvent.
The large percolation tank circulates the solvent through the ground capsicum peppers, beginning the extraction process for the initial micellar solution.
The solvent flush is complete. Readings are optimal.
Confirmed. The material is fully leached and ready for recovery.
The deep red micella is pumped to a massive falling film evaporator system. The initial
The technician monitors the system, ensuring maximum solvent recapture efficiency, minimizing both environmental impact and operating costs.
The transfer occurs through thick, jacketed stainless steel piping, emphasizing the continuous material flow and the distinct
The pumps roar to life, rapidly pulling a deep vacuum. This prevents thermal degradation of the heat-giving capsaicinoid. Pressure holding steady at 760 torr.
Atmospheric stability confirmed. Initiating transfer sequence.
Introduction to the standardization phase. The raw, concentrated Oleoresin Extract O-5 precursor is received into a
The refined vegetable oil, a clear, pale yellow liquid, begins to flow slowly and precisely.
The Oleoresin Extract O-5 sample is injected into the complex GCMS unit, confirming the complete.
The differential pressure is holding steady across bank 3.
Good. Flow rate is consistent with the projected output for process B.
The secondary packaging line utilizes advanced robotics to stack the Oleoresin Extract O-5, demonstrating impressive scale and efficiency.
To prevent degradation, the oleoresin extract is held at a precise 4.0 degrees Celsius, with data logged continuously. Please review the mandatory handling instructions here before you sign.
Confirmed. Everything looks accurate for the O5.
Check the temperature log on the manifest here.
Reads within tolerance, Balram. We can proceed.
The Oleoresin Extract O-5 is introduced. Note how the microdose immediately disperses, rapidly imparting intense color and heat throughout the mixture.
A complex system of pumps and injectors automatically draws the calculated amount of Oleoresin Extract O-5 from the storage.
The product, enhanced by Oleoresin Extract O-5, moves rapidly through the lines.
Using these high-potency ingredients guarantees consistent flavor across all our dishes.
The final seal is applied. Soon, this Oleoresin Extract O-5 will reach markets across the globe.
This extract really brings out the flavor. It's incredible, isn't it? We have to get some of that O5.
Demonstrating the rich, uniform hue imparted by the Oleoresin Extract O-5, our process ensures consistent color and visual quality.
The balance of heat and flavor from this Oleoresin Extract O-5 is absolutely precise. The consistency and potency are